If you get a ticket from a police officer anywhere in our area, your ticket will have a specific date for you to be in court.
But these camera-generated tickets don't. They make the owner of the car use the mail to request a hearing. And if the owner makes a mistake or doesn't meet a 30-day deadline, that hearing can be denied.
That's what happened to the man you just saw, and Chief Investigative Reporter Berkeley Breen went to the spot in Greece where it all started.
This is the stretch of road on Latta Road in Greece where the ticket happened. We're going to show you the video from the school bus and then the video from the point of view of the driver.
Here's the video from the school bus last May. It comes to a stop on Latta Road. The red stop sign goes out and the lights turn on. 4 seconds later, an SUV and a minivan drive by.
And by the time I look back, this car had blacked out windows and stuff.
Scott Janowski was driving his wife's minivan. He said he had to avoid a landscaping truck and that the SUV in front of him blocked his view of the school bus. It looked something like this when I drove Latta Road today.
And by the time I saw the school bus, I'm running at 35 miles an hour and no way I could stop for this school bus.
So that's the argument you would like to make if you could get into court.
That's correct.
The system tickets the owner of the car, not the driver. So when Janowski signed it requesting a court hearing, the operator called Bus Patrol denied it. Janowski says he got his wife, who was in the hospital at the time, to sign a new copy of the ticket and mailed that in.
And then about another 3 weeks after that, I got a denial because it was late.
With the late fee, Janowski's fine was $275. Here's the process. Bus Patrol gathers the video and sends it to a team in Monroe County, which determines whether a ticket is warranted. If it is, Bus Patrol mails the ticket to the owner. It lets you pay the fine online, but if you want to appeal it, you have to do it by mail.
This is Berkeley Breen calling.
I spoke to a vice president at Bus Patrol who declined my offer to talk on Zoom. He said they've been in constant contact with Janowski since May. He believes New York law requires the process be done by mail. The cameras have been on school buses in Monroe County since 2023.
Are they effective?
David Christopher runs the State Association for Pupil Transportation, a group that campaigned for the cameras. He says since the cameras started, fewer people are driving by school buses.
More importantly, second-time passings are significantly lower. Recidivism, in other words, people don't do it twice.
I worked on this story all week, and in an amazing act of timing, the day before I interviewed Janowski this morning, he was called by Bus Patrol to say he's been granted a court hearing.
All of a sudden, you guys are magical. I haven't seen it yet, but hopefully it'll come and I'll go to court and be able to plead my case.
These cameras on school buses have been around for a couple of years. There's been 4,700 tickets issued in Monroe County. On Latta Road in Greece, Berkeley Breen News 10, NBC.
Bus Patrol also waived Janowski's late fee. Greecetown Court says when asked, they set aside time to hear school bus camera tickets, but the court says it's been months since they had one.